Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and on today's video, I'm going to be answering a question that I get multiple times per day, whether it's on Quora, right? And Quora is actually an app where you can answer people's questions, or you can provide video advice so that when you share that with them on that platform, they're going to get you're going to be able to answer their question in more detail. So it's definitely a platform you can generate traffic from. But let's stick with the topic of this video. All right, so how much does YouTube pay per 1,000 views? All right, so let's first talk about the niches that are going to have a higher CPM and then the niches that are going to have a lower CPM. All right, so if you have a business, entrepreneurship, make money online, crypto investing, then you're going to have a higher CPM, which means that you're going to make more money per 1,000 views. Okay? Now, lower CPM channels would be like gaming channels, entertainment channels, and there's some other niches, but those are the two biggest ones. So if you have an entertainment or gaming, or you see like those prank channels that have millions of subscribers, those guys are not making the amount of money that you think that they're making. Trust me, right? I do a ton of research on this stuff. All right, so let's get into I've shared with you the niches that make the most, and I've shared with you the niches that make lower amounts of money per month. All right, so let me show you some some channel examples of some channels that I actually watch myself, and I'll as I'm talking about their channel, I'll explain to you why it is they're making the amount of money that they're making. All right, so first channel we're going to be talking about is Alpha M. Okay, so most of the videos on his channel, he talks about life, style, grooming, and fitness. Now his target market is men, so most of these topics right here, they're specifically talking about men. How to groom yourself better, how to stay in shape, how to dress classy. You know what I mean? So that's what this channel is about. All right, so something else that he does, right? So as you can see right here, it says estimated monthly earnings. This is how much, on a rough estimate, right? It's like either down or up. So it could be less or more. But I know he's making a lot more, right? So $4,500 to $72,000 per month. Right now, I can assure you that he makes more because, yes, he talks about these topics right here, but something I also see that he does is he mixes in like make money online type things, some motivational stuff, and then from time to time, I'll see him throw in some entrepreneurship stuff. Now, something you have to notice is that he has a very authoritative channel. So that means if he goes to rank for a keyword, he has the possibility to do that. So if he ranks for like a make money online or a keyword that advertisers are willing to pay for, then he's going to make a ton more money because he has authority to outrank a bunch of different people. All right, so that's his channel. It's more, you can see kind of what his channel is about. To me, when I watch it, it's very entertaining the way he does it. So I would say like he falls more in the entertainment realm. But he still makes more because he blends in his videos. All right, so that's his channel. Now I'm going to show you a entrepreneurship, business, and motivation channel. All right, so check it out. So it says anywhere from $213 to $3,400 per month. Now I know for sure that he makes more than that per month with AdSense and also through affiliate marketing, but specifically with AdSense, I've seen that if you add an extra $3,000 onto that, so roughly about $6,000 per month in AdSense. All right, so like I said, business, entrepreneurship, crypto investing channels, right? Channels that are within that realm, they usually have a higher CPM. So that's why I said to add an additional on top of me already seeing what he makes per month by him showing it in his video. All right, so he makes, I'm going to guess, right? He makes anywhere from $15 to $25 per 1,000 views. Here on my channel, my CPM is anywhere, because it doesn't stay the same, right? So the way I've seen it is anywhere from $18 to $29 per 1,000 views. So what that means, right, is not just based on a video, right? Because all of your videos combined, once you hit 1,000 views, right? Because you may already have 1,000 views on your channel, but every month as you're hitting 1,000 views and you're hitting that amount, you're gonna make whatever amount that YouTube shows you for your CPM. So I said mine just, it varies from 18 to 29. So let's just say it's at 25. So in order for me to make $100 per day with AdSense, that would mean that I would need I would need about 4,000 views per day to make $100 per day on AdSense. So that's just to kind of give you an idea. All right. So let's take a look at the last example, which is a gaming channel, right? So some of you may know who this is. If you play Super Street Fighter, I'm definitely a Super Street Fighter fan. I've been playing that since I was 7 years old. So if you're any Street Fighter fans, just go ahead and drop me a comment down below, letting me know that you are a part of the Street Fighter world. All right. So let's get back on topic. All right, so if we scroll down to his income, you'll see he makes $35 to $566. Now, there's a possibility that that could be a little bit more, but like I said, gaming channels usually fall in the lower CPM category, along with entertainment channels, unless they're mixing it like I showed you here, right? He's doing what he does in his niche, but he's also mixing it with some entrepreneurship, some business. And I didn't really see any investing videos with him, but I've seen some business and entrepreneurship. All right, so let's just go back to my channel real fast. And like I said, I make anywhere from $18 to $29, somewhere in that range with my per 1,000 views. Now, I talked about the niches, but something that's also important, right, is using keywords, okay? So how to... All right, so if you follow my channel, you know I made a video on how to make your first sale or online, right? So you can see right here, if I click on this, you'll see right here it says this gets 10 searches per month, and advertisers are willing to spend $3.36 per click. Right? So that means that this is advertiser friendly content. If you're doing like let's play videos and that's all your channel is about, let's say like you're a gaming channel, then I can assure you a business does not want to put their a company does not want to put their business in front of people who are looking to watch somebody play a game, right? So hopefully that makes sense of what I'm saying. Like if you're a business owner, other business owners are looking to put their business in front of your video, right? And some people are okay with that. Like I put advertising on my channel. There was a time where I didn't use advertisement, but now I say, well, hey, it can it can be like, it can be, you know, my front end, you know, like my front end income, and then on the back end, I could use affiliate marketing. So that's definitely something that you also want to do. If you know, if you've been following me for some time, I actually talk about affiliate marketing a lot here on this channel. All right. So just want to kind of give you some tips and share with you how much does YouTube pay per 1,000 views. So I hope that I, you know, helped you understand better on how the whole process works. So with that being said, if you got value from this video, go ahead and give me some thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Also, tick that bell icon, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.